complete meal in itself and is really healthy too. Also friends, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos with your friends and family, and do not forget to hit the bell icon on the bottom when you subscribe. That way you will get notified when I post new videos. Thank you. Let's begin. For blanching the spinach, I'm going to just add washed spinach in my pan. I'm not going to use any extra water, but blanch it with the water that is there in it from the washing of it. Now in the same pan I'm adding green chilies to this. I'm adding about 3 medium green chilies, an inch of ginger, and about 2 and 1 small clove of garlic. This is going to get blanched with the water that the spinach has from it washing and does not need any extra water or putting it in ice water and all of that. This is still gonna do the work and remains green like it would. Plus you don't lose any nutrients from this. Within less than a minute, the spinach is now cooked. I'm going to now let it cool down and grind it to become a paste. While the spinach is getting cooled down, I'm going to make my filling for my paratha, which is my paneer. I'm going to just grate it. This grated paneer, I'm going to add salt to taste. Going to add little bit of black pepper powder to taste, and very finely chopped onions. Not adding a whole lot. Give all of this a good mix and keep this aside. I've pureed the palak mixture in this. I've taken about 2 cups of atta. I'm going to add salt to taste to this. I've not added any salt to the palak, so I'm adding accordingly to here. Adding a few seeds of ajwain. Adding til, which is sesame seeds. This is optional but gives a nice flavor. Adding a little bit of turmeric powder to this. A little bit of red chili powder according to the taste. I'm going to mix this all. And using this palak puree, I'm going to knead this atta now. Start kneading this. At this stage I'm adding just a little bit of water at a time, and I'm gonna make a soft dough out of this. I'm going to add just a little bit of ghee to this. You could also use oil or olive oil here, and massage this completely with the ghee and let the atta rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. So this has been resting for about 10 minutes now. I'm going to now take it out and start rolling it to make parathas. I will divide this in about 6 to 8 balls to start making parathas. I'm going to dust a little bit of dry wheat flour on top of this and roll it into a medium-sized disc. Fill about 2 to 3 spoonfuls of the mixture that we made earlier. You could decide to keep the extra dough on the top, or you could remove it. Now again I'm going to add a little bit of dry atta on top of this, or dry flour, and roll this into a medium thin paratha. I'm going to now roast all the parathas on this hot tawa. Light brown golden spots. Now we are going to apply ghee nicely everywhere, evenly on the paratha. Now flip it over. Maintaining heat while doing the parathas is very important. We're gonna roast these parathas until they have golden brown spots like this. Press it and cook it from all the sides. Beautifully done.